Hey, it's Sketchy Jesse here again. Here with another lawnmower, lawn tractor, whatever video. This is the last one. After this, we're gonna get crazy and jump it. I think I'm gonna go from here and go stuck and not even make it up the driveway. What do we think? All right, we made it out. It's in reverse. This thing does not steer very good at all. Oh, danger. All right. Well, the chain was hitting here, so I had to bend it out of the way. So we'll try that again. There, danger. All right, we're back at it. I just had a grilled cheese. Gotta make this plate. Gotta make this plate and this plate. And then I can paint it. Couple cuts, couple grinds. But got some paint. This stuff, $35 a can. Like, it's not even a big one. Crazy. So, black and white. Black and white. Picking up what I'm putting down. Gonna have a pit mower. It's gonna match my car. It's gonna match the team's cars. So we have some leftover stickers. So why have a pit bike when you can have a pit mower? That's way sicker. All right, it's painted. I just did the last coat. I'm a horrible painter. Look at the runs, and I don't care. Nice. I kind of left some stuff like the swing arm and the A arms kind of dirty because I feel like when you paint stuff black, it looks stolen. So I made a huge mess. Messy Jesse, Sketchy Jesse. So yeah, runs. I put it on thick so I would dry kind of flat because it was rusty and I didn't prep it at all. But yeah, it's definitely gonna look stolen. Until you see the final look, it's gonna look sick. All right, so I'm sitting on the lawnmower here. Look at this beast. It's fired up. Steering's so stiff. Okay, I'm gonna do the how far in the snow can it actually go test.
I think this like lawnmower, whatever it is, well, I think it deserves like 10 stars because you can jump on it. You can turn it. How do you turn it on? Can I turn the wheel?
I don't know if you can. It's pretty strong. Oh, oh. Pretty neat.
Yep.
Still need to bolt down the seat. The mower. Goodbye.